Yes, but as you can see, Melon Movies has changed their thumbnail to this. Huh? What? Oh, okay. Sorry for the interruption, but the EAS is going to air on this in a little bit, so make sure you listen to the message.
The Melon City Police Department had issued a civil danger warning. A few seconds ago, a yellow unknown figure has been flying around and has been teleporting around people and kidnapping them. If you see that unknown figure, hide somewhere where it won't find you. More information will come soon.
Hello once again, fellow fruits. A picture has been sent to local authorities. This is the unknown human that has been flying around and kidnapping people. We now know what he looks like, but we don't know his name.
Shelter in place. I repeat, shelter in place. The human that was flying around had spawned minions that possess fruits into blood-eating humans, and will stay possessed. If needed, USE weapons for defense ! Do not ever go outside. I repeat, do not ever go outside.
Hello, you worthless fruits. There is nowhere to run or hide. Just come out, and we can stop this all together. But I need a favor. Die.
Oh no. Oh no. Get away. I have my shotgun. Get away. No. No, I'm out. No, please. I beg you.
All clear. I repeat, all clear. The unknown creatures have gone away. But please stay in your hiding spots, as there is a lot of debris and also a lot of possessed fruits. Happy Death Thanksgiving to all of you guys.
The chaos has ended, but 12,983 people has died due to the falling buildings or the monsters. We hope to never have this again.
Hi guys, I want to say thank you for 17 subscribers, and yes, this is my first EAS scenario by the way, and I didn't know how many people to put dead because you know this is my first time making one, but thank you for watching and happy Thanksgiving.
So tired of making me take a night, predicting it's all that I'll do cause of you. I let you show, don't let you in on my life. I tell you the things that you need to know. I know you